Welcome to the first episode in the MSM fangame tutorial series. Now, I decided to do this because I was trying to change the code entirely for the monsters so that you could have multiple of each instead of just one of each, because I changed my mind on only allowing you to have one of each. And I ended up breaking the game entirely. So I decided if I have to restart, I'm gonna give y'all something in return. So yeah, here we are. So what we're gonna be doing is the main menu, islands, and currency, and the ability to save all of those features. Now, I'm going to play you a quick video from yesterday of me actually creating the main menu. That way, you know, I don't have to remake it and re-explain everything. So. Now, before we get started, all these scripts and the font I'm using will be downloadable in the description. You don't have to code anything. I've already got that done for you. And yeah, let's get started. First off, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, whenever you make a button, attach the animated button script and set the click sound to any sound you would like. To attach a script, by the way, if you don't know, you just drag it from here onto the object. First, go to File, Build Settings, Player Settings, and set up the company name, the product name, and the version of the product. You can also go ahead and set your icon if you have one. And just close out that window, and then close out the Build Settings window. Go to the UI, and drag over the main menu controller script and the menu fade script. Attach the button panel and the loading panel. You can edit the fade speed however you would like. And on the menu fade, drag over the fade overlay. To make a fade overlay, all you have to do is just create an image, a black image, to go over the entire thing. And then turn the alpha all the way down to 0. And then drag that over here, it's right here. And drag the button panel over to the menu group. I also forgot to mention, make sure on the fade, you turn off recast. The version number, go to the version text, and attach the version display. If you don't have a display for your version number, that's fine, you don't have to do that. The loading swirl, or whatever it's going to be spinning, just attach the infinite spinner. If you're using the loading text, just attach the other, I forgot what I named it, because I don't have it here, but just attach it instead to your loading text. Your game tip text, just attach the tip rotator script. Drag your game tip text over to this box right here. You can edit how many seconds you want it to wait before it changes to tips, and in this box right here you can add all your tips. The play button, go to the on click, click plus, drag over the UI to right here, go right here, and go down to main menu controller, and then go down to the on play button option. Exit game, just attach the exit game button script, and clear data, just add the reset progress button script. And that is it for the main menu. Create your island, name it Island 01. No matter what your island's name is, in code we will call these by Island 01, 02, 03. Just add the island image to the game. Then what you want to do is you want to duplicate it over here on the color select, make its alpha 0 so it's invisible, and give it a box collider. That way it's the right size and everything. Next thing you want to do is go to the camera the main camera and drag over the camera controller script. You can edit these settings in any way you would like, and then drag the boundary you just made and drag it right here. Make an empty game object and call it island scene, and drag the island scene initializer script over here. Go over to the canvas, well, create a canvas, and then create your UI for your currencies. Make the icons and make the text for each value, and then add the material display script over here and drag each text to the appropriate box. Next, just for testing purposes, make a button, title it give all, drag the give all materials debug script, and then on click, drag the button over to its own box. Go here, give all materials debug, and give all materials. And then after that, that should be all you have to do. So you should be able to go back to the game, click play. You should be able to click play and it takes you to the first island. You can test to give all materials, and as you can see, it does display it. And to test if it's saved, go in, click play. As you can see, it did save. And yeah, that pretty much should be it for this. In the next episode, we will be already adding monsters. Thank you all for watching. And yeah, see you in the next part.